Hi everybody, Jason Kiernan here to tell you about how I have adapted my in-class experience for a home-based class experience. Step one, you're already an expert in your course. So take the expertise and use it as a foundation for a great lecture video. Now this involves a small studio setup. You can see what I've got going here. It isn't really that big of a deal. A piece of green fabric, some lighting, and a place to set my camera. The most important thing with regard to step one is when you hit record, you deliver your talk with the same pizzazz that you've always given it in your traditional bricks and mortar classroom. Step two, you want to put your recorded lecture and your slides together using your video editing software. So you want to fit each talk to each slide, just as you would normally deliver in a classroom. And this is also the point where you can take out all of the ums, looking in the other direction, bodily noises. Now, step three is the most fun. Once the basics of your talk have been put together, here's where you can actually use your video editing software to whatever degree you're comfortable to add in a little more pizzazz, the kind of stuff you wouldn't normally be able to do in a traditional classroom. Here's a few samples of what I have created over the course of this semester. Scabies are very tiny arachnids. You're from the healthy cell up to the blue tumor. That blue tumor will have two important tumor suppressor genes that are lost in terms of too much fat in the blood. Now, for this to make sense, you gotta know a couple things. First of all, we make our own cholesterol. The end result? A high-quality information delivery experience that authentically replicates what you've done in the classroom, but also raises things to a higher level or a higher standard than it has ever been before.